Look what you're missing. They're making cool stuff with fire and.
I was saying, did you show them some of the stuff?
Yeah, I showed them some stuff on the table.
The cauldron hanger and the pods.
The stuff made out of little snake thing over there. And
rebar. Rebar snake.
Big freaking everything. Anvils.
No, it ain't. That ain't a big freaking anvil.
Big to me, as I am short.
I got everything from 4 ounces to 440 pounds.
Yep. He makes all the things.
Maybe don't travel much anymore.
He's making these right now. What are these for anyway?
Tripod.
Tripod.
Tripod is holding the cauldron up.
To hold the cauldron up over there so we can make the foods. Why buy it when you can make it?
Blacksmiths love to eat, so.
Yep.
We didn't get this way by.
Yeah.
We'll make sure that kitchen's outfitted properly.
For maximum food consumption. This is all their stuff in here. More stuff over there. This is probably the coolest blacksmith thing I've ever seen right here. With the crank.
Oh yeah.
It's awesome. Yeah, they're making something.
I guess I could finish my own little fire rake thing. It's just so handy. I could do that today. Draw and taper out that handle and actually put a handle on it.
It's smoky.
Yep, starting up some fresh heat.
That's the beeswax. He uses beeswax for all stuff.
Seals it.
Seals it.
Paint.
Yep. Look at that. Oh, that's a good picture in here. This camera's awesome.
Now it'll go either way. Now that it's loosened up and warmed up.